There, it's recording.
Oh, dear Jesus.
This is the first start of the breeze that tried to kill all of us. Yes. Considering it burst into flames.
Wait, hold on. Let me get my phone so I can like light this up better.
So yeah, we're gonna try to start this thing again. It's still like full of water considering it's still got everything on it. Because we have to pour water on it. There's our water bucket.
Yeah, I'm a fireman. I don't know how I'm gonna do this with two phones.
We're gonna do exactly what it looks like. We're gonna try to fire it up again and see if it's gonna try to kill us.
It will.
Ah.
It will.
Yep.
It's mad at us.
For lighting it on fire.
And I'm pouring water on it. Cold water.
It's water cooled now.
Oh god. Goons be like water cooled.
Yeah. There's some water in her.
Oh really?
He's still trying to burn through some of that old water.
Want to dump octane down in it?
Yeah, let's not do that.
Yeah, black smoke come out. Nigga smoke.
Seen a nigga in my video.
The smoke comes out.
Huh? It's pouring gas everywhere.
Here. Record this. And I'm going to...
I'm gonna pour some octane booster in the gas.
You're an idiot.
No,
oh, there goes my phone. Save some of that stuff, man. I need it for my go-kart.
I will.
That's good.
That's probably our group for about a gallon or two.
And what? That's not even half a gallon?
That ain't even half.
Wait. The gas tank's loose.
Is it?
Who cares?
YOLO. You do it again for me?
Come on, baby. Please. She putting. Please. There we go. That don't sound good. I have an idea. Let's take the exhaust off and run it now.
No.
Alright. No, get a screwdriver, tighten up the tank. We're all gonna die. Yep.
The briggs have tried to kill us 3 times.
She's trying to kill us again.
I swear.
Tighten her back up.
I think like loosens itself mad hardcore.
That's what she said. There should be another one.
Yeah, it's a 3rd one.
Alright.
I'm surprised that bolt's even in there.
I'm done. I'm done.
Alright, there we go. Let's fire her back up.
Ow. Idiot.
Titties.
And beer. Dude, that's all going in my room.
He has an awful run, Doc.
Yeah, I know. Here.
Yeah, you're gonna blow this thing up.
Yo, I could use this thing so much. Now that we got it running, oh my god, dude. My phone is soaked with gas.
Mine's waterproof.
Well, screw you.
Yeah, this thing is covered in gas.